In a world obsessed with the latest technology, why are engineers still using hardware that's 10, 20, even 30 years old? And more importantly, why are they not replacing it? In test and measurement, reliability matters more than novelty. If a system has been validated, qualified, and proven over years of testing, it becomes something incredibly valuable. It becomes trusted. Engineers don't just ask, "Is this newer?" They ask, "Will this work exactly the same every time?" Replacing hardware isn't just a purchase decision, it's a validation decision. In industries like aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive, changing a single component can trigger retesting, recertification, and documentation updates, with those processes taking up to months or even years. So instead of replacing a working system, engineers often choose to maintain it. Here's a simple truth. If hardware still meets the requirements, it's not obsolete. A lot of legacy equipment still meets performance specs, interfaces with existing systems, and delivers accurate measurements. In many cases, replacing it wouldn't improve the result, it would just introduce risk and expensive updates. Modern hardware often comes with new features, but it also comes with different drivers, new operating systems, and compatibility issues. Legacy systems are often deeply integrated with specific software versions, custom code, and established workflows. Changing one piece can break everything. End of life doesn't mean end of use. There's still a huge ecosystem built around supporting legacy systems, sourcing discontinued parts, and repairing and refurbishing equipment. Because engineers don't need new. They need consistency. At the end of the day, engineers stick with legacy hardware for one reason: it works. It's predictable, it's understood, and it's already proven itself in the field. And in environments where failure isn't an option, that matters more than anything else. At Apex Waves, we work with legacy test equipment every day, and what we've learned is this: the best system isn't always the newest one. It's the one you can trust, which is why we made the promise to keep legacy systems alive. If you've ever worked with legacy hardware or are trying to decide whether to upgrade, let us know your experience in the comments. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for legacy NI parts, calibration services, or more technical resources, head on over to apexwaves.com to get what you need fast. We have thousands of NI parts in stock and ready to ship, including legacy and obsolete modules you won't find anywhere else. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.